Please subscribe to my channel as this helps me greatly. Thank you guys. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, Barbarian, brought to you by the power of YouTube, and today we're talking about my channel and what updates there are to come on the channel. Barbarian I made last year. I tried to make it into a car spotting channel, which didn't go so well. Then I tried to make it into some sort of informative channel. Didn't go as well as I hoped as well. Then I tried to do about my own personal cars, which include the 7 Series, which I owned. And then I'm doing it about the said 4, which I'm currently in right now. Those didn't go, I mean, to be fair, those car videos didn't do badly or anything, but it was hard to keep the content relevant and, you know, just have it to the point, to be honest with you. I mean, I can make video after video about random shit which no one cares about, but no one's got to watch it, and I'm wasting my time and anyone who actually does watch the video. But I have been making the BOTB play videos and analysis videos, which seem to be doing okay. I mean, they don't have massive amounts of views, but at least they're consistent. It's not like one does 100 and one does 6. At least it's 20, 30 views, because my channel's still relatively small. And that's a good thing in my point of view, because it means I can experiment without alienating the majority of my audience. So I'm just thinking of a few ideas for the channel. I'm still going to be doing the BOTB videos, but I'm going to do some updates about this car, because there's a few things wrong and a few things which I've fixed, including the steering wheel, which is not brand new by any means, but it is better condition than my last one. I do have a few ideas for the channel, like I said before. One of the ideas is that I do maybe a few more informational videos, like okay, I got nothing at the moment. Information videos, but I can think of a few things. Maybe ways to get your car insurance lower. Maybe 5 things you can do to do that. I don't know. I am thinking about doing a new type of giveaway. Give me your thoughts on this. The type of giveaway is, because naturally I want my channel to grow, is that, you know, you subscribe and share, and I do this giveaway every, shall we say, 2.5 months. Yeah, every 3 months, sorry. Every 3 months I do this giveaway, and I choose a subscriber at random for my list, and I give them like a £20 Amazon voucher. Do you guys think that would be a good idea, or do you think that would actually be a bad idea and might do more damage to my channel? But that's a few things going through my head right now. Anyway, let me know what you think inside the comments, as I'd love to know what you guys think I should be doing. And there goes a train right now as I'm saying this, so good timing, train, thanks a lot. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.